What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Trick 10s. Today we are working on a Tracker Grizzly 1648. As you can see, this thing is all framed out already. Now this boat belongs to Zach, who fishes with the ROLS in the electric only tournament series. And it's a little bit different than the traditional design of how I lay out these boats because he's fishing with an electric outboard. Now, he did get all of this framework put in here. He's got all this stuff taped together, which I think is cool because I'm going to come back and weld it. It's going to make his deck a whole lot stronger. And the way he's got it set up gives me a visualization of how it's going to be. It makes it easier for me to put it together. He did buy a bunch of hatches from me, and he bought some material to do all this framework. Some of this framework was existing. He's already built this boat. He's redoing it, and it's going to be sick this time. It's going to be a completely welded deck, all kinds of hatches in here. He's got turf going in here. Hopefully we can get a little follow-up video after the turf's put back in here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this back deck out of here and this front deck out of here. I'm going to let one of my employees weld this back deck frame up, and I'm going to get this front one finished up. When we get them back in the boat, drop the hatches in here and show you guys what it looks like. I'll put you back on the time lapse. Let's get back to work. All right, so I got this front deck tacked up. My homeboy Austin is working on the other one right now for the rear deck. This one was majority of the work though, because everything on this top right here is pretty much all new design and layout. This piece he had for the face, this was already previously welded. I guess he had this in here. So everything on this top though, this is all new stuff. And it's cool the way his layout is. You're gonna have a hatch here and here, one in the center, and then a mirror image too on the other side. This is this open area right here for his floor. I know this thing is far away from the transom. Good Lord, look at that. And it's tiny, but that's all he needs. He needs a spot for his backseat boater to sit down. It's electric only. And he said that's exactly where he needs him to be to get the correct balance in the boat and weight distribution so he can gain a little bit of speed. He gains like a half a mile an hour, which doesn't seem like much, but it is a lot when you're talking about electric only. Now that I've got this thing in here and tacked up, I'm going to remove it, flip it out, tack it from the back, weld it up good and solid. Now this angle that's up across here, it's riveted through the front. This is very similar to how I build my builds. Obviously I did sell him this tubing and stuff. He's been watching some videos, so it's just gonna be a pretty cool layout. I like the way it's looking so far, but I'm gonna get this thing out of here. I'm gonna weld it from the back side. Let's get back to work. All right, so it's a wrap. We got all of his framing welded up solid. Looks really good. It's got a lot of deck space in here. Really cool. I do like the way that this live well's in here. I've never seen one of these. It's like a PVC board. Look at this thing. It's pretty cool. Big live well. We'll put all these hatches in here. Let's see what this thing looks like. Cool.
You got the lids. Put the lids and put those if you want.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is your live well one right here too, I guess, right?
The frame's gonna be tight as shit to get that in. So last time I had like freaking.
Yeah, that thing is tight.
Grind it down.
You got hinges for those?
These I don't. I had to drill out all the old ones and they're trash, so I'll just bring in
I can hook you up with some hinges if you need them.
Okay.
Awesome. Looks good, man. All right, so we got all the hatches set in place. Everything looks killer. It's got lots of storage, lots of hatches in here. This front deck is really cool. I like the way this is wrapped around like this. All these hatches really set this thing off up here. And he's got the small floor area, but that's exactly what he needs to get up to speed for the electric only tournaments. So I'm excited to see what he does with this thing. He really only has a little bit of sheeting to do on either side, port and starboard, a couple pieces in between these hatches and stuff, and then it's completely wrapped up. He'll be turfing this thing, and I'm excited to see what he does with it when it's done. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get back to work.